If you're that person that wants to make more than 100k before December 2024, then this video is for you. Or you want to move from audience 2k to more than 100k before December 2024, then this video is for you. Have you heard of the testimonies of people that made millions on Elixir? Yes, and people are still cashing out up to today. I am an evidence. I'm still cashing out on Elixir. Evidence are on the screen. And these are people that took the update seriously and you paid for them. Now, another update is here, guys. BENEFIX. BENEFIX is like Elixir. It is also an online platform that pays you to perform simple tasks on their website and also monetize your social media accounts like TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. If you're a content creator, you know how to make videos very well and you have up to 1,000 followers on your TikTok or Instagram account, join BENEFIX now. Start creating videos about benefits. Reach and let the videos get up to 1,000 views. BENEFIX will pay you for those videos. They will pay you 1,500 naira or more on those videos. That is one way to cash out on BENEFIX. They will also pay you 1,500 naira for performing simple tasks on their website. There are so many various ways you can also earn on this BENEFIX platform, which will be explained in my mentorship group. My mentorship group will put you through, it will train you, I will coach you on how to make money on BENEFIX app. It is a teamwork, guys. Everybody must make money in my group. We work together, everybody must cash out, and now is the best time for you to join the platform while it is still hot. BENEFIX will be launching October, first week in October. So join now and be the first set of people to cash out on BENEFIX when it comes out, when it launches. All you need is a registration fee of 7,000 naira. Yes, you heard me, 7,000 naira. Guys, this money is not for me, it is for BENEFIX. We'll use it to get a code from BENEFIX and we'll use it to register for you. So join now, click the link in my bio to join us, or you can send me a DM and I'll send you the link. Stay tuned for more updates. Follow me, like this page so that you can get more updates on BENEFIX. Bye.